Hello, and welcome to the basics of reverse osmosis. Topics covered in this video include what the reverse osmosis system is and how it works. Firstly, the contaminated water is inserted into the preliminary pipe. The most common contaminants dealt with are inorganic substances, usually in the forms of nitrate, arsenic, and radium, and often due to food and agriculture runoff. Organic substances, such as fuel components like benzene, or chlorinated substances from household products such as carbon tetrachloride. And of course, bacteria and viruses. The semi-permeable membrane is able and responsible for filtering all of these impurities out. The next step in the process is applying pressure to the water in the preliminary pipe in order to propagate movement of water through the semi-permeable membrane. Finally, once the filtered water exits the membrane, it is ready to be extracted and, most importantly, drunken. Now, in order to fully comprehend this process, let us look further into what the membrane is made up of. The composition of the filter begins with 3 starting layers on a single sheet. One polyamide layer of 2 microns thick is mainly responsible for filtering out the bacteria. Secondly, a microporous sulfone layer is added to protect the 2 micron thick polyamide layer. Lastly, it contains a polyester base that acts as a support to this thin material. Next, the flat membrane sheet is folded over, covering the channel spacer. This creates a space between the 2 sheets of water flowing in. After permeation spacer is placed, these 2 steps are then repeated to add layers. This allows for the outgoing water to flow more evenly through the system. This then gets rolled up, and water is now ready to pass through this as clean and safe drinking water. And that's the end. Thank you for joining me, and hope you found this video helpful.